CybertronPC Titanium GTX 1080H Gaming PC. Reviewed discount unbox and setup. I haven't had a ton of time to put this rig through its paces, but so far I'm very happy with the performance for the price. The GPU is an Asus 1080 GTX Turbo, so it's not a premium 1080 card like the Asus Strix 1080, but so far it hasn't mattered. Everything I have played, for example, Gears of War 4, Fallout 4, Doom, The Witcher 3, easily runs at 60 FPS or higher with max settings. Granted, I'm only playing at 1080p right now, but there is clearly plenty of power to spare. I can hear the fan cooling the system when it runs, but it stays quiet and consistent under load, which is a nice plus. The case itself is large but attractive, and everything is very cleanly organized inside. These guys know what they're doing. This may not be the most powerful or overclock-friendly rig on the market, but you'll be hard-pressed to find a better value. If you're not inclined to build your own gaming PC from scratch, I highly recommend it. Edit: I'd like to update my review by noting that I purchased a 4K television recently and have been able to test this system at resolutions above 1080p, which is really where it shines. Setting aside games that have not been optimized well, for example, Dishonored 2, which has known issues on the PC, everything I've played runs at 60 FPS with max settings at 1440p. Some impressive looking games, for example, Battlefield 1, Resident Evil 7, also run at 60 FPS in 4K with max or near max settings, but I have to admit that flawless 4K gaming isn't a guarantee with this rig. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.